thing sounds like something out of a freaking...
That's my father-in-law, my mother-in-law.
Yeah, I'm Ray, man. Trenton, nice to meet you. That's my wife.
They already know you.
Yeah, they already know.
They know you through my channel.
Man, this is... I couldn't believe when I saw the YouTube, man. I couldn't believe this. I could not believe that this was a freaking Cadillac, man. I said, you gotta be kidding me. It's a station wagon, right?
Yeah.
but
oh, I like how he did the fiber.
Oh, I didn't see. Yeah, you can't really see all the detail on the video. Wow. Oh my God.
This. Yeah, I love the fiber. Look at that.
Oh my God. No, you can't see this detail on the video.
Oh.
And for some of you guys that don't know, this is my father-in-law, my mother-in-law. Coolest people ever, very chill.
Cool. Yeah, because you don't see it in the video. Like,
oh yeah, it just looks black on the video.
Yeah.
Oh my God, bro.
That's carbon, man. That is sweet.
Okay, guys, but I have a cool car too. Shit.
No. I like this though, man.
Oh, come on.
No, this is different shit right here. Oh, man.
That's a whole different level. Holy crap.
I love the pearl, man. I love this pearl color.
Okay, guys, shit. Okay, all right. Well, let's.
Sunroof.
Yeah.
No, mama, look. This is the best part.
Oh God.
Look at the interior.
And what?
A little dirty right now.
And what year is
It's a stick shift.
Oh my God.
She loves manual. She has a GT, a 2019 or a 2020 GT.
2019.
Yeah.
Wow.
What you got?
Oh, nice.
Wait,
man.
I got
LS fanboy, yep.
With
I
the
already see the
turbo, a
comments.
rotor. Oh, I like the V.
Oh yeah.
V-brake caliper. That is
The spark
dope.
plug. The spark plug is tight.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Who did it?
Jeffrey over at House Inc.
Okay, okay. That's what's up, man. Oh my God, look at this gouged wheel. I thought you were lying about the wheel to invade the race.
Oh, and right in here?
Guys, listen, it's over. Let's talk about the Fiesta.
Yeah, can you remember?
Oh, the Ferrari.
Yeah, let's talk about the Fiesta. Come on.
This is one of a
Oh
kind.
yeah, look at
Yes, look at that.
look at that.
The POS.
Wait,
Special.
what? No,
That's special.
it's the SE. It's not a POS.
I saw POS on the back. POS turbo.
Oh, come on, man. It's limited edition. They got 2015 on the glass.
Look at that.
Look at that. Because one day.
It's still for sale.
Hey, let's do the same thing. No, let's act like his ain't shit. All right. A little closer. Turn that.
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, this is just an SRT?
Oh,
No, this is Scat Pack.
A Scat Pack. Is that like the LEI or whatever would have beat that, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
What do you guys think about this one?
Oh God, here we go again. Now this is just beautiful.
That one's better, right?
So beautiful compared to this. Why did you waste your money on this, bro? You should have went with this right here. A cat.
Yeah. What do you think, Mama? What do you think about this?
Well, there's no carbon fiber. You know, it just looks so generic. You know, I don't know. You know? Yeah, I think he should have bought a Challenger.
You think he should have bought a Challenger?
Yeah, I think a Challenger would be a lot better. Yeah.
I don't know, brother.
I don't know. Where's your moonroof at on your truck?
Oh!
It's not even a comparison, bro.
All right, we're just messing with you.
He hasn't even let me lower it yet. Come on, let me.
Yo, that was funny. No.
We gotta do the airbags, you know, and we gotta.
Button at least.
Oh my God, yo. What is going on, YouTube? This is me again, Manny at Manny Mod's Garage. So two of my buddies, they wanted to hash it out, and I don't know, you know, we're just talking cars. It's just another day. I got my in-laws here. We're all having a good time, and we're about to do a little comparison video. Let's see what we like about what vehicle, and go from there. All right, now.
Y'all ever seen Mr. Incredibles driving his car?
That's
this guy.
Ferrari right there. 2015 for sale. Ferrari. That.
Mama, so I'm gonna show you what's what.
Okay, so that's not an oil catching thing.
No, that's a turbo intercooler charge pipe.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, this is the hybrid system.
Okay.
If you look at a Toyota Corolla and a Toyota Camry, if you look at the hybrids, they have this big metal silver thing. It's the same thing.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah. Yeah, and this is reserve through punch tank.
Oh, okay.
This is where the gas goes.
And that's where the gas goes right there.
Wow.
Yep. If you get the green belt, it automatically gives you an extra 7 years.
You learn something new every day, right, Ma?
Yes, always hanging around here. Always. Always.
If we get 1 like on this video, Trenton has to buy an iPhone for pictures.
For pictures only.
For pictures only.
Samsung will make one of the best products you can't use anywhere else.
It needs a retune.
Whack? Oh, I'm kidding. All right, Kelt. What you think's gonna happen, bro?
I don't know.
Come on, give me some confidence.
I'm gonna win.
You know he upped the boost before he got here?
Wait, bro. I don't want to go.
All right, Trenton, what do you think's gonna happen after you cheated on the way here?
I think it's be even.
Huh?
I think it's be dead even.
Oh, he gutted it.
You gutted it?
Yeah.
Cats are
Trunk, seats, everything.
No. What Kelt gotta do is he's gotta take his doors off like everybody else is doing.
The doors, the
Wait,
hood,
wait,
the
wait.
trunk.
He does not need any more help. I need all the help.
No, I love the anticipation. I love the anxieties I give y'all. It's so funny. Cause I'll talk to you. I don't know. And I talk to you, but he's gonna blow my doors off. I don't ever want to go. All right. So what's done in your car?
Man,
Everything.
am I lying? I'm telling the truth.
Oh, I don't know.
I'm a lie. Twin turbos, alien turbo kit, injectors, ported blower, lower pulley,
600 shot.
200 shot.
Okay. Oh yeah, modest. You gotta be modest. What's honestly done to your car?
Like honestly, cam, injectors, pulleys.
And you're pushing what? 36 pounds of boost.
18,
What were you at before?
16. Because the bypass went out, so I had to block it off.
Oh man, that sucks. That's just crazy how that happens out of nowhere.
No, that I don't want it to be doing that.
I don't know how I got an extra almost 100 horsepower randomly.
It feels the same actually.
No shout out to the
Shout out
family?
to SSC Racing though.
Alright, bet. You got any shout outs?
Shout out to my sister and my brother. And the beard making me sweat.
What do you get?
The hit and a car.
That's not fair.
That is fair. No much on up the boost. Yep, the boost. A clean build like that, like it's just clean. And the wheels really set it off too for me.
For what it is, yeah, the rims, yeah. Like it doesn't match the car, but I think the wheels do look really nice. A nice design, the tires. But it's just mean, bro. That car looks just so freaking mean. Hold on. Say more than you can afford, pal. Say it.
More than you can afford, pal. Ferrari.
Ferrari. Smoke.
You think I'm worried about this fool, man? This is nothing.
Hey bro, check it out. You see that Cadillac across the street over there?
You know what? I'm so curious to see how we would run it now.
What?
With the way it's set up, you think I'll blow your doors off this time?
No, I think I really don't think this was 2 pounds.
Boat, car, boat. You're not gonna do what I think you're gonna do.
Yeah, I think so. You got my back, bro?
Yeah.
So
bone stock Redeye.
Redeye I can beat, so now it's time to bag.
We also got to give him credit because a stock Redeye keeping up with the shit you've done to this car, that's pretty dope too. Anybody watching this video right now, guys, the speed never exceeded 65 miles an hour. I promise you that. And we were in a safe environment. There was nobody around. As I gained more traction and we ran it, that's how I surprised the shit out of you.
Yeah,
I stuck with your ass.
That's when I like barely beat you.
Yeah, I stuck with your ass.
You guys never left my back door.
Nope. Bro, it's like 104 degrees outside. Yeah. The humidity is so bad. But
my IMTs are pretty decent right now.
Yeah? Bro, we're cruising right now. Let this shit sit for 2 seconds. It's over.
When we were at the gas station we left, it was 150.
Yeah. For a fact, if he had a Mickey Thompson from a 20 roll, he would leave you for like a few seconds. He would literally be in front of you. He would jump out real hard because it has the power to jump out off the low end. You seen how I jump out in my car with the Mickey Thompsons? I think if he had the Mickey Thompsons, like the drag radial setup, he would jump out of you like a car and a half, and then you would creep onto him and y'all would stay together. How was dinner?
Oh, good. Good.
You liked it?
Yeah.
Not bad, right? Chicken fried rice, Manny made.
I'm more a panda type of guy.
I'm a panda. I look like a panda. Do I look like a panda? Tell me in the comments below. Do I look like a panda?
You do got white and black on.
Yeah, actually I do. What's up, Tran?
They're good. The cars are pretty evenly matched. I just have a little bit on them. My benchmark was to beat a Redeye. So. That's like really what it is. Dodge is always the standard for some reason.
A lot of people say that.
Okay, so let's talk about that then. Do you feel better that you didn't do nothing and he was struggling to beat your car? Because I would say that was a struggle. He was fighting to stay away from you. You were fighting to stay away from him.
I had to shift that thing. Like,
I mean, I give it to Dodge for that though. Like, for a stock car to keep up with like modded cars is crazy. Like, I can only imagine like the car being heavily modified.
We had a good time, guys. It was a lot of fun. It's like I tell you guys, you know, it's not about who's faster. It's about good friendship, some fun stuff, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Please do me a favor, continue subscribing, continue liking these videos, and let's boost this algorithm so I can bring you some more content, guys. Thank you so much for all the support you guys have given me lately.
Shout out to MGP and Myatt's Garage and SSC Racing.
Yeah, Myatt's. Yeah, you guys.
Hey, I'm beating Redeyes out here.
He's beating Redeyes out here. Hey, I'm gonna bring some Hellcats from the south, and I know you guys know who you are. I'm gonna bring some Hellcats from the south, and Myatt's Garage better bring that heat because these cars are not slow. Till next time, guys. Peace out. All right, you guys. What y'all think? Next video. F-150 Eco Boost or the 1500 Longhorn Eco Diesel. It's got a turbo. Got a turbo. Who y'all think is gonna take it? Y'all let me know.